Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're at Portofino Heights and we're taking a look at a new house for sale. It's about 1 to 2 months to completion. It's brand new. It's by an owner's design. So let's go take a look. So, like I said, this is almost complete. Probably about a month or so to go. If you look over there to the right, you see that box. That's a driver's area, sleeping quarters, and front area with front wall here. It has really nice doors and really nice sliding glass doors. So as you walk in, you can see the really beautiful door jambs and doors. You come in here to the left, there's a bedroom right here out the front. I'll just pan over like this. And as you can see, it's got built-in closets, shoe racks, and a CR here with a shower. Sorry about the condition, but it's under final stages of fixing it all up to completion. So like I said, they got about a month or so to go. And then here you have a guest CR. Tiled all the way to the ceiling. And they have a built-in started here. Not yet completed though. Okay. And as you can see, they got this brickwork, tile work here and the stairway going up. And we'll come into there. And as you can see above the living room, you got really high ceiling with a nice big window up there to catch the light. Nice windows to slide open on a cool day. And then you have the dining area here, all open space. And you can walk out these sliding glass doors. These sliding glass doors are really nice. I know, I have these in my house. But these doors are really nice. And the window frames are made of the same thing. So we can give you a little look over here of the side angle, down the side of the property. And we'll walk back into here. Into the kitchen area. You can see it's got a wood design above the dining room table where you can hang a chandelier, which will probably be there when they're finished. Then you have the kitchen area. Lots of counter space. As you can see, they're not yet completed. Built-ins with all the nice racking systems, as you can see here. So let's go look around here. You have a dirty kitchen. And then here's a maid's room. Typical maid's room, nice window there. And then I'll try to slip out here, but they're doing construction. So you can see you got a back sink out here. And if you keep walking, you can come around and you got this space in the back for landscaping and things to look at while you're looking through the windows. Another access to the maid's room over there. See how beautiful these doors are? Very high quality. So we'll cut back to the kitchen. Let's go upstairs. Give you a little pan up with this. The stairs made of hardwood. The rails made of hardwood. So immediately to the left, you have a bedroom. Built-in closet there. And it has its own bathroom with full shower. Tiled all the way up to the ceiling. And as you can see, take note, like all these frames for every single window, these are very expensive and high quality, just like the doors. Very high, even the door jambs are high quality. Then you come to the left here, there's another sliding glass door with a little balcony. You can look down as when someone comes to your house or something, you can yell down to somebody. You see the view from here. Let's go back inside. Okay, we have another bedroom here. And of course, as you can see, the tile's not yet put down on the floor. But each room has an air con, all the woodworks. You have the sink and CR and another shower, which is not yet completed, tiled all the way to the ceiling. Built-in closets. We'll proceed over here. Now this is the rail area where they probably have a big chandelier hanging down from here, which will be right in front of the window. So if someone looks through this window, they see the big chandelier hanging there, and it looks right down into the living room area. Nice setup. Again, over to my right here, there's a built-in here. And then you have another bedroom with built-in closets. I'll just pan around here so you can see. Nice size room. And this room also has its own CR with shower tiled to the ceiling. I'm even impressed with all this woodwork, door jambs and doors and everything. That's high quality, super high quality. Really well sanded and smooth, hardwood. This is the master bedroom, and they have a ceiling design up there. See, with aircon. Then you come into the walk-in closet, where this gentleman is building all the build-ins. As you can see, lots of drawers, big closet space. Now you have a sliding door here into the master bathroom. But you have the sink area. The mirror's not yet put up. And the master bedroom has a shower set up here. The dividing glass is not yet put in or anything, but it's also tiled to the ceiling. So let's proceed back out here. They estimate that they'll be done in a month, but I think probably a month and a half to 2 months is more of a possible time frame. As you can see, they have all these little vaulted ceilings everywhere where you can have a chandelier. So let's go back down. I'll try to show you around the house a little bit with the construction stuff there. So a nice entry into the living room. Like it. I really love this high ceiling. Imagine a giant chandelier or something, wrought iron chandelier hanging down from there. Very nice. So let's walk out the front door here. So we already saw that side over there, but there's too much material there. I don't want to go traipsing through there, so I'll come over here and show you the driveway part. This will be open driveway. See, you got a lot of space. I imagine they're going to add probably cabinets on the backside wall. And then you have a maid's area, entry over there, and a driver's room up here. So let's walk back out front. Just give you a little pan of the neighborhood. As you can see, you have an empty lot, so if you want to expand, maybe you can see if that's for sale, possibly. Got lots of trees to block the sun. Got this nice empty lots over here. Mango trees are all over the place. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of this house, newly built house, never lived in, of course. Go to philhome.com. You can find the listing there to get more details, or you can go to Phil Home Facebook, and I'm sure it'll be there too. And you can contact us if you like this house, and a broker will be happy to bring you out and show you this house. We have lots of deals, so come out and check this out. And if you are watching the YouTube video, then just look down in the description and you'll see all the links and all the descriptions about the house, square meter each, and the living space, square meter each, and everything. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. philhome.com.